Good morning students, myself Abhay Kumar Pandey. I start you the important chapter of mathematics triangle from R.S. Agarwal book. And these two questions are the very important question for you. How can you solve this type of question? Question is what? In triangle ABC, if 3 angle A is equal to 4 angle B is equal to 6 angle C given, then you find the value of angle A, B and C. How can you find the value of A, B and C? Solution is what? Given in your question, 3 angle A is equal to 4 angle B is equal to 6 angle C given. How can you find the value of A, B and C? Process is what? Let angle B is equal to X. Let angle B is equal to X. Firstly, I write 3 angle A is equal to 4 angle B. Why? These are the equal. Then you write 3 angle A is equal to 4x. B is equal to what? X. Then I write x. So A is equal to what? The 4x by 3. Numbering it 1 and 2. It means you find the value of A and B with x. Then after I write 4 angle B is equal to 6 angle C. Also I write 6 angle C is equal to 4 angle B. Why? These are equal. These are equal. Then you find the value of angle C. Then 6 angle C is equal to what? The 4x. Why? The B is equal to x. Then angle C is equal to what? The 4x by 6. Simplest term. The 2x by 3. That is the value of angle C with x, with term x. It means I find the value of A, B and C. And you know that in a triangle ABC, sum of angle of triangle is what? 180 degree. You write here, you know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to what? 180 degree. Then after putting the value of A, B and C, A is equal to what? The 4x by 3. 4x by 3. B is equal to what? The x. C is equal to what? The 2x by 3. Is equal to what? The 180 degree. Then find the value of x. That is the simple type equation. But firstly I find LCM. LCM is equal to what? The 3. The 4x plus 3x plus 2x is equal to 180 degree. 4, 3, 7. 7 to 9. So 9x by 3 is equal to 180 degree. 3 3 is 9. X is equal to what? 180 degree by 3. 60 degree. X is equal to 60 degree. I find the value of x equal to 60 degree. Then I find value of A, B and C. So I write angle A is equal to what? So 4x by 3. 4x by 3. So 4 into 60 degree by 3. 20 degree is equal to 80 degree. Angle B. Angle B is equal to what? The x. X is equal to what? The 60 degree. Then after angle C is equal to what? 2x by 3. So 2 into. It means the value of A, B and C is equal to what? Angle A is equal to 80 degree. Angle B is equal to 60 degree. And angle C is equal to 40 degree. And that's your answer. Question number 2 is what? Question number 2 is what? In triangle ABC. You know that is a triangle. I form the figure. So the figure ABC. Sum of angle A plus B plus C is equal to what? So 180 degree. Given in your question, A plus B is equal to 108 degree and B plus C is equal to 130 degree. Then you find the value of A, B and C. Solution is what? Solution is what? Solution is what? Firstly, I write here angle A plus B is equal to 180 degree. 180 degree. adding angle C in both sides. Both means LHS side as well as RHS side. So I write angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 108 degree plus angle C. Angle C is adding in both sides. Now we know that A plus B plus C is equal to what? So 180 degree, that is the property of triangle. So 180 degree. 180 degree is equal to what? Here I write 108. 180 degree. 180 degree plus angle C. A plus B plus C is equal to what? 180 degree, that is the property of triangle, do you know? Here 180 degree plus angle C. It means 180 degree is equal to 180 degree plus angle C. It means angle C is equal to what? 180 degree minus 180 degree, that is 72 degree. Find the value of angle C is equal to what? 72 degree. 180 degree minus 180 degree. Plus sign change into minus sign. You find the angle C. Now B plus C is equal to what? B plus C is equal to what? So 130 degree. Now given in your question, the angle B, angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. No, you write the angle B plus angle C. Angle B plus angle C. Angle B plus angle C is equal to what? So 130 degree. Angle C is equal to what? The 72 degree. Right here, the angle B plus 72 degree is equal to 130 degree. Angle B is equal to what? 130 degree minus 72 degree. Angle B is equal to what? 58 degree. I find the angle B. Then I find the angle A. Angle A. Also angle A plus angle B is equal to what? 180 degree. Given in your question. A plus B is equal to what? The 180 degree. A angle B is equal to what? The 58 degree. 180 degree. A is equal to what? 180 degree minus 58 degree. A is equal to what? 50 degree. A is equal to what? 50 degree. It means A is equal to 50 degree, B is equal to 58 degree, and C is equal to 72 degree. These are the value of angle A, B and C. If A plus B is equal to given and B plus C is equal to given. How can you solve? Firstly, I take angle A plus B is equal to 180 degree. Adding angle C in both sides. A plus B plus angle C, 108 plus angle C. Then I find the value of angle C is equal to what? 72 degree. Then I find the value of angle B and. Question number 3 is what? In the adjoining figure, you find the sum of angle A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F is equal to what? 360 degree. How can you prove it? Solution is what? Firstly, in triangle ACF, ACE, not F. In triangle ACE is the triangle. You know that the sum of angle A plus C plus E. Angle A plus angle C plus angle E is equal to 180 degree. That is the property of triangle. Now, in triangle BDNF. Now, in triangle BDNF. Angle B plus angle D plus angle F is equal to 180 degree. Question number 2. Firstly, forming two equations, equation 1 and 2. That is the property of triangle. Do you know? The sum of angle of a triangle is what? 180 degree. Now, adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. What will you get? The firstly, I adding LHS side. angle A plus angle C plus angle E plus angle B plus angle D plus angle F equal to 180 degree plus 180 degree. Now to write angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E plus angle F equal to 360 degree. These are the very simple questions. Figure will be given. Figure will be given in your question. Then you prove that the sum of these angles equal to what? 360 degree. Why? They are forming two triangles, and you know that the sum of angle of a triangle is what? 180 degree. Forming equation 1 and 2 and add them and then get your solution. Please do your homework in your school copy only and